Oh my god. Are you guys seeing this right now? Look at him. Looking human. What are you? Digging his claws to that bag. Like he owns the place. To the animals, this.
You go. Well, there was this guy at the bank that I thought was
Smart.
cute.
Very smart. Clever girl. No, he's a boy, but...
That's juicy. You know what, though, Mom? I actually do have a lot of work to do, so if you're sure there's not anything else...
What? Is he going to do it again?
Sure.
He's doing it again.
Rachel, is there something that you want to talk to me about? No.
Come on.
If there was, I wouldn't tell you.
Come on. You done? Just look in your face now? Okay.